Did you know that your feet can actually give you clues about your liver health? It sounds surprising, but when the liver isn't functioning well, it can show up in unexpected ways, especially in the feet and lower legs. Now, this isn't a replacement for medical tests. Always check with your doctor. But if you notice some of these signs, your liver might be struggling. Let's break it down. Let's start with something you may have noticed but never linked to your liver: persistent foot odor. Many think smelly feet come from sweat, bacteria, or bad hygiene, but sometimes it can signal a deeper problem, like an issue with liver function. The liver is your body's detox powerhouse. It filters toxins from the blood, breaks down waste, and keeps everything running smoothly. When the liver isn't working efficiently, these toxins don't get processed properly and start building up in the body. Since the body still needs to get rid of them, it finds alternative escape routes, one of which is through the skin and sweat glands. Feet have the most sweat glands in the body. This means they are a key area for releasing excess toxins. If the liver doesn't filter toxins well, they can build up in your sweat. This can create a strong, lasting odor. It won't go away, even with regular washing, antibacterial soaps, or breathable shoes. A damaged liver may not break down proteins well. This can lead to too much ammonia in the body. Ammonia is a waste product that makes sweat smell musty. Liver issues are also closely linked to gut health. Poor digestion and gut bacterial imbalances can cause harmful bacteria to grow. These bacteria make bad-smelling compounds that add to body and foot odor. Furthermore, the liver plays a crucial role in breaking down fats. If it doesn't work right, fats and toxins build up. This causes sweat to smell rancid or sour. Next are itchy soles, that deep nagging itch on the bottom of your foot that just won't go away. It's easy to blame it on dry skin or allergies, but sometimes the real issue is happening inside your body, specifically in your liver. Your liver produces bile, a fluid that helps break down fats and remove toxins. When bile flow slows down or gets blocked, toxins can build up in your bloodstream. This can trigger histamine reactions, leading to inflammation and that frustrating, hard-to-relieve itching, especially on the soles of your feet. Liver-related itching often feels deeper than regular skin irritation, and it may get worse at night. If you've ruled out dry skin, allergies, or infections but still experience persistent itching, it might be worth paying attention to your liver health. Supporting proper bile flow with hydration, liver-friendly foods, and a balanced diet can help ease the itch from the inside out. Ever noticed your ankles looking puffy or swollen, especially by the end of the day? If you press your finger into your lower leg and the indentation lingers for a few seconds, that's called pitting edema, a common sign of fluid retention. While swelling can happen for various reasons, persistent ankle and foot swelling may point to liver dysfunction. The liver plays a key role in regulating fluid balance. When it's not working properly, it can lead to low levels of albumin, a protein that helps keep fluid in the bloodstream. Without enough albumin, excess fluid starts to leak into tissues, causing noticeable swelling, especially in the lower body, where gravity pulls fluids downward. Liver-related swelling usually isn't painful, but it can feel tight, heavy, or uncomfortable. If you're experiencing persistent swelling in your ankles and feet along with other signs of liver stress, like fatigue, digestive issues, or changes in skin tone, it may be time to give your liver some extra care. Reducing salt intake, staying active, and eating liver-supporting foods can help improve fluid balance and ease swelling naturally. Now, let's talk about those small red or brown specks on lower legs that don't seem to go away. These tiny discolorations could be more than just random marks. They might be a sign of poor circulation, which is often linked to liver problems. Your liver plays a crucial role in keeping blood flowing smoothly. When it's not functioning well, circulation can slow down, making it harder for oxygen and nutrients to reach the smallest blood vessels. This can cause capillaries to weaken and break, leaving behind red or brown spots on the skin. Over time, poor circulation can also lead to shinier or thinner skin on the lower legs. While these spots can also be linked to conditions like diabetes or vascular issues, their presence, especially when combined with other liver-related symptoms, might be a clue that your liver needs some support. Keeping your circulation healthy with regular movement, hydration, and a liver-friendly diet can help reduce these skin changes and improve overall blood flow. Now, let's move on to that uncomfortable sensation where your feet feel like they're burning, even when the rest of your body feels fine. While this can be caused by nerve issues, diabetes, or circulation problems, it can also be linked to liver dysfunction. As we've mentioned earlier, the liver plays a big role in blood circulation and toxin removal. So when it's not working efficiently, circulation slows down and toxins build up in the bloodstream, leading to inflammation and discomfort, especially in the extremities. And this can cause a burning or overheated sensation in the feet, often worse at night when blood flow changes as you rest. Poor liver function can also lead to nerve irritation, contributing to this warm or tingling feeling. If your feet constantly feel hot, and it's not due to external factors like warm weather or tight shoes, it might be worth looking into your liver health. Dealing with dry, cracked heels no matter how much lotion you use? While this might seem like just a skin issue, it could actually be a sign that your body isn't absorbing essential nutrients properly, and your liver plays a big role in that. The liver is responsible for processing and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, along with omega-3 fatty acids, all of which are crucial for skin health and moisture retention. When the liver isn't functioning well, it may not produce enough bile, which is needed to break down and absorb these nutrients. As a result, the skin, especially in areas that endure pressure like the heels, can become dry, flaky, and prone to deep cracks. If your cracked heels persist despite moisturizing and are accompanied by other signs of liver dysfunction, like fatigue, digestive issues, or brittle nails, it might be worth supporting your liver health. Eating healthy fats, staying hydrated, and including liver-supporting foods like leafy greens, nuts, and avocados can help improve skin health from the inside out. Noticing thin, web-like veins spreading across your legs. These are called spider veins, and while they can develop for many reasons, they're often linked to hormonal imbalances, especially excess estrogen. You see, the liver plays a key role in breaking down and removing excess hormones from the body. But when liver function is compromised, estrogen levels can build up, weakening blood vessel walls and making them more visible. Varicose veins, those larger swollen and twisted veins, can also be a sign of poor circulation due to liver issues. Since the liver helps regulate blood flow and detoxification, a sluggish liver can lead to weaker veins, slower circulation, and increased pressure in the lower legs, making varicose and spider veins more noticeable over time. If spider veins or varicose veins suddenly appear or worsen, and you also experience fatigue, bloating, or skin changes, it may be time to check on your liver health. Next on our list is foot pain, especially in the arch or sole. It is often blamed on plantar fasciitis or overuse, but if the pain persists despite rest and stretches, your liver might be playing a role. A sluggish or overworked liver can contribute to inflammation throughout the body, including in the fascia and connective tissues of the feet. When the liver isn't filtering toxins properly, waste products can build up, leading to poor circulation and inflammation. Two factors that can cause pain and discomfort in the feet. Additionally, the liver helps process essential nutrients like B vitamins and magnesium, which support muscle and nerve health. A deficiency in these nutrients can also lead to aching, cramping, or stiffness in the feet. Last but not least, your toenails can reveal a lot about your health, especially when it comes to liver function. If your nail beds look pale or completely white, it could be a sign of poor circulation and low oxygen levels in the blood, both of which can be linked to liver dysfunction. Normally, you should see a small half-moon shape, lunula, at the base of your nails. But when liver health declines, circulation weakens, and these may fade or disappear altogether. Another common nail issue tied to liver problems is toenail fungus. The liver plays a major role in supporting the immune system by filtering out toxins and harmful microbes. When it's not functioning well, the body struggles to fight off fungal overgrowth, leading to yellow, thickened, or brittle toenails. Now, one of the biggest culprits is too much sugar, especially high fructose corn syrup, which is found in sodas, processed snacks, and many packaged foods. The liver has to work extra hard to process it, which can lead to fatty liver disease over time. Similarly, highly processed foods, like canned, pasteurized, or heavily preserved items, can slow liver function because they often lack the nutrients needed to support detoxification. Of course, alcohol is a well-known liver stressor. While the liver can handle small amounts, excessive drinking forces it to prioritize breaking down alcohol over other crucial tasks, leading to inflammation and long-term damage. Certain medications can also take a toll, especially when taken over long periods, as the liver has to filter and metabolize them. Lastly, even something as healthy as protein can be an issue if consumed in excess. When the liver is already struggling, too much protein can create a buildup of nitrogen waste, putting extra stress on the system. Your liver has an incredible ability to heal and regenerate when given the right support. Start by loading up on veggies, especially leafy greens, beets, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, which help the liver detox naturally. Healthy fats, such as those from avocados, nuts, and omega-3 rich foods, also support liver function by reducing inflammation and promoting cell repair. You can also try a simple but powerful habit, drinking lemon water. This refreshing drink helps flush out toxins and supports bile production for better digestion. And if you really want to give your liver a break, intermittent fasting can work wonders. By spacing out meals and avoiding constant snacking, you give your liver time to process toxins and regenerate. We hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Share this with a friend who might need to hear it, and check out our merch for awesome wellness-inspired gear. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.